big croc.
Do you fear death?
What is that?
Look at that.
Oh, no.
Greetings, my fellow foolish mortal, and welcome to the Scare Factor. Today we are here at Land of Illusion up here in Middletown, Ohio. This is a multi-attraction scream park. They've actually got 6 full-size haunts here, and we are going to take you through all 6 of them tonight. All right, up next we're going to do the Middletown Haunted Trail. That is the flagship haunt here at Land of Illusion. This is also their longest one. It's about 30 minutes solid walkthrough, and I hear they got a bunch of new changes for this year. So without further ado, let's get in and get some scares. They should not have given you a...
She loves chainsaws.
It's the baby. You want to hold the baby?
My baby?
No.
It's my baby.
I don't trust him.
He's gonna kill us.
Yes.
Follow me right this way and let's start the tour.
Okay.
Now remember, the Middletown Haunted Trail is the first of its kind in Ohio to feature real serial killers, ghosts, ghouls, and legendary creatures.
That's cool.
Enjoy your tour.
Thank you, guide.
That was one of them real ghosts.
I don't know where that one came from. Oh my.
That's
oh
unfortunate.
my.
World is...
That one's twisted.
Wow.
Oh.
They're quite twisted. Holy mother!
The live one.
These bushmen are getting great. Holy God. They look so good.
That's awesome.
They look awesome. Yeah.
Are we going to a club?
Somebody's jamming out.
Yo.
You getting no toxic waste on there?
Toxic Wasteland.
Oh, yeah.
Look at these girls over there. Wow. Yeah.
Oh no.
I don't hear anything.
Good, because you're a dog. Oh, barbecue for Mo.
We like barbecue. Uh-oh, guys. What's going on?
I saw.
Michael's in the tree
Yes.
with a knife. Uh-oh, did he jump down?
Oh, oh my. Oh.
Oh, God, he did. He jumped. Oh, my God, he's big.
She's huge. I know.
That's what she said. Oh, yeah. Let's see. Are you crazy?
Down your throat for you.
No. Yeah. Look at this nice walleye.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, no. Oh, God, it's growling. Holy cow. I don't know. It's not me.
I haven't smelled anything as fresh in quite some time.
Jesus Christ.
Oh no.
Well, I don't know if fresh is the word I'd use.
Yeah.
So many bodies and
Oh, my God.
That is impressive.
And he's right. There's bodies.
Do you fear death?
Yes.
Well, death's not gonna save you here.
Okay,
Aw.
okay. I'm going to keep walking then.
It's the witches.
Telling you turn back, but it's still great.
We gotta turn back.
They stuck them on the anus. Oh, my goodness.
Go get your ankle.
What is that even?
Real nice meal.
I mean,
My pot makes you a few times. Watch all the meat fall off your bones.
if you would like.
Oh, you'd be really healthy.
You do? Oh,
I love you. Can I keep you?
No.
Why not?
Well, we must keep with the living. We got.
You'd be a really great
Did it beep? Is that real?
Yes, of course it is. Why wouldn't it?
I don't know. It's not normal.
Yeah, I know it's not normal. When do you see a talking pumpkin?
I don't.
great.
But I like it.
All set
Aw.
up for you.
What is?
Just wait.
Oh no!
Oh. Do you want me to go? You want me back in front? I got you. I'm here.
No, that was her.
Oh yeah.
You know,
Oh no.
crazy yours, right?
You're a spider! Wow! This is gross! Oh my god!
This is lovely. What are you talking about?
No,
This is not
You know what I want to do to you?
I
I told you I'm gonna have.
No! Oh my God. What is?
Oh, you're down.
I'm down.
She's down.
No. Oh no.
That is fucking great.
She's still eyeballing you.
Oh my God.
Nora down.
Nora's down.
Nora down.
Nora's
who's up
down.
there?
Do you guys see this?
Oh
Yeah.
man, this is new.
Yeah. This is,
What?
yeah.
No. Oh, he tried to kill me. He tried to kill me. Oh God, did we go up here?
Hey, you ever see that little pooping out, brother?
Oh, he's made a mess.
Now into the darkness abyss you go.
Oh yeah.
Y'all come
man.
back and see me in my baby now.
Of course.
Okay.
Oh, I can't wait to break your bones in alphabetical order.
Oh.
Your retinas off and wear them like contacts.
Oh.
Oh,
Oh, they're in your credit.
I can't breathe.
You in the back. I can smell polyps.
Oh.
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 What are you?
Oh.
What happened?
What happened?
What happened to you?
Oh.
Okay. Why are you guys trying to kill Nora? Well, I'm glad we got that on video.
I know her name. What's your name?
Nick.
What's in there?
Oh, you're gonna be the next one. Yeah.
That one didn't make it. That was me a minute ago.
This is why you don't use outhouses, people. This is the exact reason why.
Why are all these people missing?
Listen!
Yeah, missing.
You know what? Don't ask questions you don't want answers to. I'll tell you what.
Oh God!
So cool.
Here's some more missing people!
Oh no!
I got all these little vials of blood.
I think we found them.
It didn't come for me. Oh God! Are you like a pumpkin? No! I'm not orange.
Crowds gather round,
Oh,
my
fudge.
friends.
All right.
Okay.
Tonight, I'm leaving all of the nightmares that you have seen and are gonna see. I created everything that you see around you. And you walk in my unholy yard reeking of fear and regret.
Oh.
You see, I am Reverend Mordecai Black, and you, my friends, are absolutely screwed.
Yeah, he's right there.
Look like you've seen a ghost, don't you?
Well, that.
Not only am I here, I'm home.
Oh, nice.
I like that.
No more live ones, my friend.
No more live ones? I'm not alive.
Seymour. Go ahead and touch that. Go ahead and take out the safety. Come on.
What is that? What is that? What was that? Was that my soul? Oh, I think he just took my soul.
Oh, Seymour, you want to
Hey, don't steal my soul! Hey, give it back! That is my soul. There's no.
I'm gonna call on you when I need you the most. I'll be proud of kicking that little head of yours and screaming to be let out. Now you better let me out and I'll call.
Oh, I don't know if I'm gonna let you out or not.
Oh.
Man, they're mean.
I'm sorry, I knew your soul was too good to see. Hey, you know what? I might give it back, but I think your soul is just a little too.
Oh, he ate it!
Oh my
God.
You're so beautiful. Look at your face.
They're
What
the
if I
soul
turned you
eaters.
into a weeping angel and all you
that's
got
really
to do
cool.
is stand there and cry and pray while I hurt everybody else real bad?
It might be
Would you
entertaining.
like that?
I would.
You can pet this fox here.
Can I?
His name's Finny.
I love
He might bite you.
That one's
Oh.
wearing.
Yeah, he might also give you rabies, so in about 3 hours, be ready for a little transformation.
Okay,
Rabies?
thank you.
You
Thank
want to
you.
pet him? He'll give you
Sure.
rabies as well.
Yeah,
Oh,
we got
I
rabies.
really want
You got
rabies.
too, ha
We got rabies.
I'm gonna come up in yours and turn into a necklace.
A necklace?
Oh, I like that. That's my line, yours. I'm gonna think of your dad pie. Maybe I'll scalp you while I'm at it.
Oh man.
Oh, what are you doing up there?
Pop a straw down your throat and drink you like a human Capri Sun.
Oh God, that doesn't sound fun at all. Oh, what is she throwing on us?
I don't know. Whoa.
Jesus Christ. Yeah.
Watch out ahead.
Okay,
Oh, oh.
all right.
There's this crazy bus driver up there.
Oh yeah.
Crazy.
I can't remember her name.
Okay.
Okay.
It didn't look like she drives too well.
These are buses.
Yes, they are.
Oh yes. Oh yes. Love it.
Back out, everyone!
Are you the bus driver?
Yeah, my name's Valerie Frizzle. You can call me Miss Frizzle for short. And
Miss
I'll be
Frizzle.
driving us
I love
on a
it.
field trip today.
Oh, okay.
How y'all doing tonight right now, real good? Let me get a little toe jam sandwich.
You are very,
God.
oh God!
Oh God! Oh God!
No! I don't know what I'm now playing chicken with the stilts. Oh my gosh. How happy.
Are you here to join me along with the rest of my demons?
I think we send. I think we send.
Nora!
I would think we send.
Yeah.
That's not yours.
It is now.
Oh my God.
Welcome to the kitchen, guys. My name's Miss Frizzle. We serve vanilla tonight. Hey, I'm you what's on my head. My name is Oh, negative glaze and Larry what's up?
Real fresh. Back for seconds. Oh, never trust the pigs on this trail. They're forcing us to confinement. They're herding us in. Oh. Like that.
Oh no!
It's not the little piggy.
Oh, we gotta get to our stage, guys. Let's go.
Stage?
Yeah.
What are we doing?
Yeah. Whoa.
Oh God. Yeah. Retake your soul, Mary. Oh, yeah. I don't think I want to go in there.
Stop this rage through your spine and snap it in half! Where are you going?
Oh yeah.
Yes! Yay!
Holy crap, guys, what an awesome showing by the trail. Lots of new scenes from last year. As always, make sure you let us know what you thought down in the comments. Let's head on off to the next one.